So it's Friday morning and we just got our iced chai tea, and then I love getting the turkey croissant. It's so good here. It just has turkey and I switch out the pepper jack cheese for Swiss cheese. So we're just having that this morning. We have to go to Target because we're doing like a little beach picnic tomorrow with the family. So I'm just gonna grab like a couple snacks, a couple drinks, and then I'm also gonna make a jalapeno popper dip. So I need to grab like all the ingredients for that. Come to Ross because I've been seeing so many good TikToks of like Ross hauls. I haven't been to Ross in a while, so I want to go to Ross and just like see what they have, browse around, and then maybe see if they have like some beach toys too. So I want to check for that. And then there's a HomeGoods right next door. So this HomeGoods is actually new, and I've been here one time and they actually have a lot of cute stuff. Look at all the Halloween stuff. Wow. Look at it. Oh my goodness, look at the ghost. I love this section because there's a bunch of pastas. Look at how cute this cup is. It's Snoopy. Oh my gosh, look at this one. What's that? Winnie the Pooh? Okay, we're finally in Target. Oh my gosh, it's so hot, guys. The baby girl is being such a trooper. She's being so good. This is our final stop. So I'm just gonna grab a couple items. And then we're getting some snacks. She loves these little spoons. And then we're gonna get these little ones. Actually, no, we're gonna do the Once Upon a Farm smoothie melt. So look how cute by Olivia Cupo. I'm gonna grab one of these. Then they're sold out. They're sold out of the hot lid. Let's do a quick haul. So first off, I got this this 8-piece like fork and spoon set. They were so cute. These were only $12.99, so I purchased these. And then from Ross, I got just this really simple striped t-shirt. This kind of reminds me of like the Aritzia ones, and this was $10.99. So I just thought it's perfect for like, I don't know, I feel like it's always good just to have basics. Found this top. This top is like more of like a dressier top, but I really liked how it had like this on it, and it's a halter top, so I thought it was super. This book, that's like a really tiny haul. And then that's pretty much it from Ross and HomeGoods. And then you guys saw what we got at Target. I still need to go to the grocery store because I need to get stuff for the jalapeno dip. Hi guys, so it's the next day and we are at the beach. I wasn't able to film like how I make the jalapeno popper dip, but I'll show you guys like how it came out, and it looks so good. So the last time I made it, I added like panko breadcrumbs on top, but this time I skipped that, and then I just added bacon and like extra cheese and then put it in the oven for about 20 minutes just so everything can melt. And oh my goodness, it looks so good. So we're here at our family picnic. We do this once a year, and this year it's always at different locations, but this year it's at the beach. So we came to Huntington Beach. We're gonna hang out with family, spend the entire day here. They got like 2 spots with the 2 fire pits. Wearing this top from Target. It's like this double-lined tank top, and then just with these Fashion Nova shorts, and then my sandals. And yeah, I'll take you guys along our day. Guys, so it's the next day. We had so much fun at the beach. I try to film as much as I can, but also we were just spending time with family. It was so fun. Now today is Sunday. We're gonna go to our favorite breakfast spot. We're gonna have some breakfast, and I think it's like a pretty chill day today, but I want to take you guys along. Also, this top, my outfit's like super simple today. This top is from Ross. Just pairing it with this skirt from Target. You guys, this skirt is so cute and it fits like perfectly. It actually has like built-in shorts, which I feel like makes me so much more comfortable wearing the skirt because of like the built-in shorts. So that's from Target. And then also I got these sunglasses. These are from TikTok shop. So let me show you guys. So they're super cute. They kind of remind me of like the Gucci sunglasses, but I got them from TikTok shop and they were only $3. So I'll try to see if I can link that. I don't know if I can, but if I can, I'll like leave it in the description. Lily Clasp on Instagram, she has so many cute like jewelry items, and then I'm just wearing my pink Adidas for my outfit. What did he say?
If only he knew.
I know.
That's why he threw it out.
Ocean whispers gently, summer dreams so sweet. Take me to the ocean, let the waves carry me away. Under endless skies now, where the sun.
What do you guys think is worse, a Starbucks line or an In-N-Out line? I feel like for me, an In-N-Out line is way worse for me. So I got the iced matcha, and then Raymond got the s'mores iced chai tea, and then now we're at HomeGoods again. Probably just gonna look around because I feel like when I came Friday, I didn't really get to like look around. It was kind of like a quick little trip. So we're gonna go to HomeGoods, walk around, and then call it a day and go home. Turkish delights. These always remind me of Narnia, because if you watch Narnia, they have Turkish delights, and I've always wanted to eat them. And they have these ones here. Barbecue sauce, tangy mustard. This looks really good. One thing about me is I love barbecue sauce. I love barbecue sauce on basically not everything, but I love me some barbecue sauce. Another thing is they have an amazing selection of pastas. Like, it is my dream. That's another thing. I love me some pasta, but they have really cute, like, fun pasta shapes. And they're the dried pastas, so those are really good. One time I made like a vodka pasta and I used one of the pastas from here, and it was delicious. Okay, so we're getting this little like rattan basket, but I want it for our baby's toys. These little pouches are so cute. I love this brand, Laura.